Okay, so we went to church today. Ooh, like the haircut. The haircut. Was not forced to have this. Definitely wanted this haircut. Definitely not looking at my mom off screen.
I don't care. It looks good.
Yeah, it does. So we went to a church today, and it was really cool. It's a Catholic church. We met the priest, and overall, pretty good day. Even when I'm at home, I go to church, so I thought I would see how it is here. And it's pretty good. I like the churches here. They're ancient, like my mom. Just joking, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My mom is not ancient, guys. They're just older buildings here. One of them was built in 1637, another in 1884. The one I was inside today was 1884. And lots of attention to detail compared to my church. See you guys. Another thing to mention is, compared to the church that I go to in Canada, there was way less singing here, and it was about 40, maybe 30 minutes faster than the normal masses. And also, the priest actually lives in like a house that's connected to the church, which was really cool to see. I've never seen that before. Okay, now I'm gonna show the stuff.